good boy. We haven't done a camper tour yet. Oh, running water. How do you work one of these? Ta-da. So once again, I'm switching out Prius life for camper life. I am up along the Blue Ridge Parkway. My son had an event at App State. It's a few miles up the road in Boone, North Carolina. So my husband and I dropped him off and came down here to Julian Price Park along the Blue Ridge Parkway. And we're gonna spend a couple of nights here while he's doing his event. We don't have much of a plan other than just to hang out, enjoy the luxuries of sleeping in a camper, and have a good time. Got my 2 packs of ramen here. We'll have to split up the noodles before adding seasoning because one is vegetarian and one is beef flavoring. This here is dehydrated vegetables that we can add to it to make it a little bit more nutritional, or to be the only nutritional thing in the ramen is what I should say, because let's be honest, ramen is not known for being a superfood. I'll let this first one be Andy's. Ow! Ooh, getting there. That's what I'm talking about. There's one. My sad little cup. 2. Okay. If I didn't say earlier, Andy, my husband, is out looking for meat. No, he's not hunting, but he's hunting at a grocery store. Just gonna go pick up something to add to this and then to have for tomorrow, since we didn't really pack any of that. And now, I guess I wait. Okay, with cooking, it's getting a little warm in here, so we can actually turn on the AC. Can you believe it? I have AC, and I'm standing up. It's a lot different than camping in a Prius. Yeah, standing up. We have a queen size bed in here. Pretty exciting. All right, AC. I guess it's this one. Ta-da! Feel it. You hungry? Okay. I'm hanging out in the camper waiting for Andy. I took a quick rinse off down at the showers. He did the same. Not sure why he's not back yet. Hopefully he's not waiting for me. But during the day we had power running to the camper with the generator, but now I just have this little portable power station and a little light up there. So in a few minutes when he gets back, we'll go to bed. I'm going to try to convince him to go hiking with me tomorrow along the Blue Ridge Parkway. It's not always his favorite thing to do. He doesn't mind hiking, but it's like a mile or 2 and he's done. Whereas I usually want to go like 7 to 10 miles. So hopefully we can compromise and do something fun that we both like. So that's the plan for tomorrow. At least my plan for tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. What about you, Levi? Levi, do you want to go hike? Yeah, you do. You're such a funny guy. Oh, I think I hear him. I bet that's him. That's not the right button. No, let me see. That one. We are on the Blue Ridge Parkway, and the plan for today is to drive along the parkway, stopping at several trailheads to do little hikes to the overlooks. You might remember I tried this with Zane in the fall, and the parkway was so crowded we got 2 done before we just had to give up because we couldn't find parking. So today it's summertime, a lot less busy, so hopefully we'll get some nice views and we'll take you along for the ride. First stop is Cold Prong Overlook.
Man. Patty.
There was no overlook. We're back at the parking lot. What a ripoff. So, Cold Prong Overlook, what do you think?
Sucks. You don't have to scream at it though.
I know, I always do that. And I feel like no one can hear me. Anyway, we're at Flat Rock. I'm yelling again. Okay, we tried to talk normal. We're over at Flat Rock Overlook. This is one that I did with Zane in the fall. It gives you a view of Linville Valley and Grandfather Mountain. Okay. Help!
No!
Help! Andy!
Okay.
Splat! Oh no, I am stuck. Don't mind me, I'm just running video in case you fall. Want to make sure I get it on camera. He got hooked in. He's not twisted though, it's okay. Yeah, that's what happened.
Leaving their fishing line?
It's all tangled.
Where is it?
In the tree. It's in the tree. Someone got hooked in the tree. Yay, thanks for getting that.
I don't know how you
Helping
get
the
this-
environment and saving animals.
I don't know how you get this stuck like right here.
We are walking on the Tanawa Trail at the Linville Cove Visitor Center, heading over to the Viaduct Observation Trail. Levi, that's not the way. Oh, I need a light. I can't see any further, but I think it goes back and turns because I can hear the water dripping. See the light on? Let's see if we can get in it. Oh my goodness, it keeps going, babe. Oh, okay. I think I can end. Wait. Yep. That is really cool. Are you afraid, Levi? Hi, bud. A little narrow. That looks like something from a storybook. You're on camera.
Rough Ridge Overlook. Last one of the day. It's beer 30. My knee hurts. So we'll get her done. Get home.
Yay. There's something you don't see every hike. This one actually fell asleep. Thank you, kind sir. Woohoo! Weekend without kids.
Yay.
Sorry, kids. We went camping with the kids at Ferrystone Park. And we made campfire burritos for the first time. It is super easy, super clean, and super good. Oh yeah, perfect. We're sitting in the camper and it started to rain, so Andy had to run outside. What'd you get?
It's not raining that hard.
Oh, it sounds harder. Right. Good morning.
What's up?
Thank you for cooking. You're welcome for coffee.
Thank you for
More important.